Hi, Paloozis. I'm really excited about the 3 workshops that we have coming up. The Strategize to Maximize Goal Writing Workshop, the Ladder Program, Clinical and Administrative Ladder, and the Insurance Renegotiation Workshop. These are 3 workshops that will take your practice to another level. You need these workshops to really grow who you are as a CEO and to grow your team's abilities in order to not only have goals and targets that are very measurable to drive for, measure by statistics in your company, but setting up a system, a ladder system of where your team can learn and grow. And then insurance renegotiation. We've had a lot of Paloozis that have had success with it. I've had a lot of success with it, and I want that for you. So I want you to open your mind to all these new possibilities of growing as a CEO, growing your leadership team, and taking Strategize to Maximize, the goal writing program. It's a workshop. Be ready to work. The Ladder program and the insurance negotiation workshop, all 3 of them are going to take your practice to another level next year. So take a chance, take this workshop, bring your team, but get your tickets now because the Strategize to Maximize has a really robust worksheet with it that you need to get started on it now. See you there. I can't wait for next year to be amazing, both for you and for me.